Hey guys, welcome to the Corel Mafia channel, and today we're going to be designing um, a neon lighting effect on CorelDRAW. Now, if you're coming here for the first time, you can subscribe to the channel so that you'll be getting more of these videos. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So, this is CorelDRAW 23. That's CorelDRAW 2021. But actually, this CorelDRAW is not as good as the other as 2020 for some reason. Okay, so we'll get this rectangle. We'll make it black. Remove the outline color. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get a kind of another rectangle like this, and maybe we'll just make it curved. Okay, so while you click on it and just drag in and right click so that you create another duplicate smaller copy of it. Now you highlight everything and go to trim. So once you trim it, you only have this. So let me, like, if I color it, as you can see, that's the only part that is available right now. So next thing will just be to put our text like so. Now if you put your text, we're just want to get a good font. So let me see, let me check for this font. This font looks good. So like this. This looks good. So I'm going to increase the outline. This outer rectangle, just increase it a little and make this Corel. Now we'll put this inside here, but as you can see, it doesn't have any sort of glow effect. It's been a while I did this neon glowing effects stuff. Now, okay guys, so usually what we do is to create a shadow of this. So you just go, you create a shadow, you go to presets, you choose maybe a medium glow, and you add your color like this, or you choose a small glow and you add your color like so. Okay, now for the outer parts, you do the same thing there too. You go to your shadow, then you go to a small glow, you add your color to red like so. So we're having a kind of a glowing stuff going now, but this to me is not that effective, so it doesn't show that much of a glow. So duplicate this one. Now we'll remove the shadow from this one, clear shadow. Now all we have to do is go to effects, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and we're going to make a blur like this. Now we can increase the brightness of our blur. No, not too much. So you can also duplicate this and just press C and E to align it together. So we group it together, highlight it with this other box there, and press C and E. Now, okay, first of all, before we take it there, let's add some transparency to it. let it be transparent a little. So now we can take it over to this side. Now you can see it's glowing. So we can do the same for this part also. Let's go to effects, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, add some Gaussian blur like this. Then we'll make sure this one is on top. We'll take this one and put it just under it. Now we have this. Now to give it a realistic look, all we have to do is just create like a kind of circle under here. We'll make it red, of course, like so. Next thing, we'll go to effect, we'll go to effect, we'll go to blur, we'll go to Gaussian blur. Just create some blur on this. Then we'll go to our transparency tool and so as you can see, so you can also go to the interactive fill tool and just put and just add some kind of red tone to it. As you can see how this Corel Draw 23 is misbehaving. So for this part, just like this is okay. So this is how you make your glow effects in Corel Draw. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe, and you can drop your comments below if there's anything you want us to design or anything you want us to work on. Just comment below, and see you guys in the next one.